From Delhi Capitals, Ishant Sharma took 10 wickets in 8 matches. From RCB, the spinner Mahesh Theekshana took 11 wickets in 13 matches. Sunil Narine played 14 matches for KKR, got 11 wickets. Akshar Patel took 11 wickets in 14 matches for Delhi Capitals. From LSG, Naveen Haq took 11 wickets in 8 matches. From LSG, the speed gun Mark Wood has taken 11 wickets in only 4 matches. From Sunrisers Hyderabad, Mike Markande took 12 wickets in 10 matches. Mitch Marsh from DC has taken 12 wickets in 9 matches. From Punjab Kings, Nathan Ellis has 13 wickets in 10 matches. Trent Boult has 13 wickets in 10 matches for Rajasthan Royals. From CSK, Deepak Chahar played 10 matches, got 13 wickets. From LSG, Yash Thakur has taken 13 wickets in 9 matches. Harshal Patel from RCB with 14 wickets in 14 matches. From Mumbai Indians, Jason Behrendorff has taken 14 wickets in 12 matches. From Rajasthan Royals, Ravi Ashwin has taken 14 wickets in 13 matches. From Mumbai Indians, Akash Madhwal has taken 14 wickets in 8 matches. From SRH, Bhuvneshwar Kumar played 14 matches, got 16 wickets. Ravi Bishnoi from LSG has taken 16 wickets in 15 matches. Noor Ahmed from Gujarat Titans has 16 wickets in 13 matches. Arshdeep Singh with 17 wickets in 14 matches for Punjab Kings. From RCB, Mohammad Siraj has taken 19 wickets in 14 matches. From CSK, Mahisha Patirana has taken 19 wickets in 12 matches. From CSK, Ravindra Jadeja has taken 20 wickets in 16 matches. From KKR, Varun Chakravarti has taken 20 wickets in 14 matches. Tushar Deshpande with 21 wickets in 16 matches. Yuzvendra Chahal with 21 wickets in 14 matches for Rajasthan Royals. Piyush Chawla has taken 22 wickets in 16 matches. Rashid Khan has taken 27 wickets in 17 matches for Gujarat Titans. Mohit Sharma with 27 wickets in 14 matches for Gujarat Titans. Number 1 on that list is Mohammad Shami with 28 wickets in 17 matches for Gujarat Titans.